Hey, my level up lovelies. Hope you're having a great start to the springtime. It is a beautiful day in Atlanta today. It's about to be nighttime. But just wanted to talk to you today and bring to you today a subject that's important to me about being yourself. So how do we operate in this world, portray ourselves in this world, being ourselves? How do you be you? That's on the next Level Up with Janet E. See you soon.
Look, they have the whole crab here. Oh my.
Okay, my Level Up lovelies, we are back. So I'm so glad to have you. Make sure that you like, subscribe, or comment if you haven't done so already. I thoroughly appreciate your input, your valuable input, as well as just sharing with me my journey. Once again, this is my journey of leveling up with Janet E. Just making sure that we all go on that journey together to fulfill our God-given purpose. So before I begin, I just want to give a big shout out to the Communicator Awards. They actually paid an honor to Level Up with Janet E by giving us an award for social presence, so social media presence. So and giving us the Communicator Award of distinction for social media presence. So that means including the YouTube site, my Facebook, my Instagram. So just overall presence on social media, they gave a distinction to. So I thank you so much, Communicator Awards, for that. I appreciate that. That is our first industry award. Communicator Awards has been around for 30 plus years. So I thank them so much for being able to recognize us with that honor. We are humbled for that. Thank you so much. All right. So what I'm talking about today is being you. What does that mean in terms of being you, being yourself, being who God created you to be? So in the Bible, it says that we are fearfully and wonderfully made. What does that mean? That means that God made us or formed us in the womb before we even knew ourselves, before our parents even knew us. Before you came out of your mother's womb, God already knew who you were, your inclinations, your habits, your addictions, your things that are good, your things that are not so good. God already knows those things and what's going to come through in your life. But God also says that He formed you in the womb, but that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. So what does that mean? Fearfully means that God created you with awe, with purpose, with a power and a presence. So fearfully means that you have power and you have fortitude to move through and do what you need to do in the world. Wonderfully means that you are awesomely made. There is no one like you. You are the only you in this world. So that's powerful in itself. No one is like you. No one has your fingerprints. We know how that works in terms of forensics and genetics, but also no one has your exact personality. Nobody has your exact face. Even with twins, there's a little bit of a difference in some places. So no one is exactly like you. You are a masterpiece. Only one of you. So know that God made you for a purpose and a plan in order to fulfill your gift and your calling in the world. What is your gift and your calling? Well, that's something that you can meditate on, pray on, fast on, focus on with God to figure out what is your ultimate plan. What does God have in store for you that you can bring forward to the world? Not just for you, but for others, because ultimately your purpose is presented to fulfill and build up and edify others. So just like the gifts of the body in the Bible, those gifts that are given to you are supposed to build up the world, build up others in the world so that they can pay it forward and build up their gifts as well. So we talk about being fearfully and wonderfully made. We talk about that you are formed in a womb. And now we're talking about being renewed in the spirit. So God is renewing you every day. So even with sometimes you don't feel like yourself, sometimes you feel down, you feel depressed, know that God is renewing your spirit every day. He's renewing your sustenance. He's keeping you sustained in what you need to do. And a lot of times we want to look to the left and the right and get distracted, and sometimes look at other people's gifts and other people's what they have going on. But remember that you are wonderfully made. So God made you perfect for what your purpose is. So don't ever look to the left or the right at other people. You can look at it and be inspired, but know that you are inspiration in yourself because of what you have to give to the world. All right, I'm going to keep this level up short and sweet because I have things to do, but I wanted to make sure that I poured into my level up lovelies. I thank you so much for going on this journey with me, continuing on this journey with me. We are leveling up, continuing to level up in 2024 in different ways. So I might have some more updates for you. You know, I always do. And my pageant is coming up in August. I'm going on vacation in June. So a lot of things coming up for the summertime. But either way, I want to make sure that I continue to go on this journey with you. I love you, love you, love you, my level up lovelies. Continue to have a blessed spring. And, you know, as we go into summer, just enjoy it. All right. I will see you next month. Mwah. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you.
And many more. Thank you.
All right.
Jordan, what you wearing?